In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and access Etsy's live chat support, especially when it might not be as straightforward as it seems. Whether you're dealing with a pressing issue concerning your account or facing some challenges with a transaction, knowing how to reach out for help can save you a lot of stress. Let's dive into this. To start, you'll want to familiarize yourself with how Etsy officially suggests you contact their support. Head over to Etsy's Help Center. You'd usually find this by navigating through your profile under You and clicking on Help in the menu. Once there, look for a section labeled Contact Support. It's important to note that you'll typically need to be logged into your Etsy account to view all available support options such as chat, email, and sometimes even phone callbacks. However, direct phone numbers aren't publicly available for most regions, so phone support usually requires a callback request through the platform. Now let's explore how to initiate a live chat with Etsy. First, as mentioned, sign into your Etsy account. This step is crucial because it ensures you have access to the full range of support options based on your account specifics and location. Next, head to the Help Center and locate the Contact Support option. Here, you'll want to pick a topic that best represents your issue, whether it's related to ordering, account troubles, or seller challenges. If live chat is available for your particular issue and region, you should see an option saying chat with us or simply chat. Go ahead and select it. But what if the chat option is not available? There are times when Etsy limits chat availability based on specific criteria like time of day, issue type, or geographical region. If that's the case, you will likely see the options for emailing support or using a contact form as alternatives. It could be a bit frustrating, but remember, these methods are still effective, just a bit slower compared to live chat. Speaking of limitations, it's important to set expectations regarding Etsy's live chat support. Live chat isn't always accessible to everyone at all times. You might find it missing at certain hours or for certain account types. Furthermore, if your account is under any restrictions or suspensions, you might find that live chat and even callback options have been removed. When live chat is available, it's generally the quickest means of getting a response, but when it's not, don't hesitate to make use of email or contact forms. If chatting live isn't an option, there are backup methods you can rely on. One approach is contacting Etsy support via email. Simply follow the contact support path and choose to email them or submit a help form. Another potential alternative is requesting a callback if it's an option in your region. And lastly, don't underestimate the power of Etsy's community forums. These forums are invaluable for seller-related issues or general inquiries, as many seasoned members are ready to offer helpful advice from personal experiences. I hope this guide equips you with the tools you need to get support from Etsy efficiently. Navigating customer service can sometimes be a challenge, but with the right know-how, you can make it a more seamless experience. Thanks for watching.